These Starburst. These Starburst are chewy. The Starburst I've been eating. All right, Landon, I got a deal for you, okay? I will give each one of you $1,000 if you open the front door and there's not a box on our porch. There can't be a box. If there's a box, you don't get $1,000.
Is it locked? Well, is it locked?
Yeah. I should have just given you $1,000 for being able to open the front door.
Oh.
But I'm not. All right, you ready? I'll open it for you. Do you think there's a box?
Yes.
Oh. What does that mean? No $1,000.
No fair.
No fair. I've never seen somebody so upset to have a package at their door.
What is inside?
I don't know, dude. Let's open it.
Yay!
Close it. Close the door. Quick, before doggies get. Woo! Don't slam it. All right, Leaman, get upstairs with your injured finger.
I'm not injured. You're injured. Put your hoodie on.
Let's see what this thing is.
There's no.
So clearly,
Hi, guys.
everybody watching this video can tell what this is. But can you guys guess what it is?
No.
What do you think
E-light.
it is? E-light. That says Elite.
Elite.
Yeah.
That's a LED?
No, it's not an LED. Today, we're going to unbox that intake. Alright guys, so... Oh crap, it's too bright. Alright, do it somewhere else. Alright guys, much better. We don't have that crazy sun out there just glaring in my face. So today, what we're going to be doing is unboxing this cold air intake that was sent to us by the guys over at coldairinductions.com. If you haven't already, check them out. www.coldairinductions.com. You can go on their website. They sell all kinds of intake systems for cars and trucks. Let's get into it and see what it looks like. This is the first I've ever dealt with this company. They seem like really nice guys. I talked to them a little bit online, and they sent me this thing to do a review for you, so we're going to do it. Let's get into it. All right, so initially, they've got good packing, at least so as far as we can tell. This looks like these little bags that you put like spray foam insulation in, and then the foam expands inside of it, so pretty good. Got instructions. Let's see here. Looks like warranty information and things like that. And this is the Elite series. It's for the 2019 and up 1500 Silverado 5.3 engine, which is what I have. And you can see everything comes packaged nice in, looks like some sort of plastic wrap, and then we got some bubble. I love this stuff. Some bubbles just to even pop. You have to bear with me. I have to pop every one of these. Ah, got it. Bullseye. All right. So you can see packaged real nicely. And what do we got down in here? Looks like this. Okay, this is my cold air box. If I can get this thing out of here. Yeah, there we go. Again, wrapped pretty nicely. Looks like shrink wrap over the whole thing to keep it from getting scratched and damaged. All right, so inside of this we've got, this is a Pcv hose, Pcv Valve hose. Then we've got our elbow where we connect our Pcv valve, and this is going to connect to our throttle body. And I think that's it in here. What is this? Oh, that's plexiglass. So this is upside down. So this is the cold air box, and they've got plexiglass on it so you can see the filter from the top. It's actually upside down now. But they've got this protective over the plexiglass so it doesn't get scratched, which is super nice. There you go. See? All right. Looks pretty good, man. This is pretty high quality little piece here. I was kind of expecting some thin like sheet metal, but this looks like it's actually cast. It looks like one piece that was cast. So really nice piece. You can see there's a lip all the way around it. I think this bolts down to your factory airbox pad, and then we've got a rubber seal right here around where the tube comes in, just to keep some of the engine heat out. So nice. You got their logo, Cold Air Inductions, stamped here, and we got a part number and a serial number. I'm guessing that's for warranty issues if they arise, so that they can track the product. Oh, almost dropped it. All right, our elbow, nice quality, just typical hose clamps, but they do have these little rubber notches in here so that they're kind of guided. They don't just sit there, they stay in their place. And they've got the connection for the Pcv valve. And then again, the Cold Air Inductions logo. Let's see here, Pcv valve, this side to inlet. Okay, so they're giving you instructions to tell you which side to hook it up to. That helps. I'm going to save that bubble wrap for here in a minute, because again, I'm going to have to pop all of it. I don't know why I'm doing that, but hopefully one of them will stick. Let's open up this tube. All right, so that's a nice finish. I guess maybe this is powder coated. It doesn't feel like paint. It's probably powder coating. And the inside here looks like it's painted white, which is nice because usually they would leave it unfinished. You can see the welds look really good on the, I guess this is my MAF, where my MAF is going to plug in. Yeah, the welds look good. I don't see any pinholes or anything. You can see on the back side. Nice and uniform. So, nice piece there. All right, got a razor blade now. We got one final box here. I'm guessing this is the actual air filter. Let's see here. Just has a part number, doesn't tell me. I mean, that's the only thing left. All right, here we go. Filter element. I didn't want to drop that. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So this is like a, ooh, it's oily. Definitely an oiled filter. So this is like a one-piece filter housing. And we got their Cold Air Inductions logo here. It's a really nice piece. It's actually molded. This is the same piece as the filter body. So this filter looks like it's manufactured and glued together. This isn't a separate piece that they've attached. It looks like it's part of it. So, sweet. I'm guessing this sits maybe, I don't know, kind of like maybe that? No, like that maybe? I don't know. We'll have to get it installed. I think it sits like that. And then this is going to route around to the intake. So, sweet piece. Yeah, that's it. Bubble wrap. And as you can see, nothing else in the box. Tons of bubble wrap though. So there you have it. Intake system from coldairinductions.com. Lay it all out here so you can see it. And that's what you get. I think it's $379 right now. So next up, let's take all this stuff and throw it in the truck and see how easy it is to install.